educational life.
Risha!
May we call on stage Krishna and Jima Kabali from Kinderheart to deliver her welcome address. A round of applause, please.
To our beloved principal, Ma'am Lucy P. Concepcion, Head Teacher, Ma'am Milette G. Medina, Dear teachers, loving parents, my fellow movers, friends, and to our honorable local government officials, headed by our barangay captain, Carmelito de Guzman.
Galing.
Ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant morning. It is ended with great pride and joy to deliver this speech on behalf of the kindergarten class of 2023-2024. To begin with, I wish to thank our beloved teacher for their great job that lead us to the finish line of our kindergarten journey. Thank you, Teacher Myla Espirito and Teacher Angela Durca for making our learning so much fun. We have learned the numbers, alphabets, rhymes, stories, words, and taught us important values in life, like kindness, sharing, empathy, importance of respect, and for the enjoyable experiences we had. People will always remember the first and will forget the rest. But for me, every single experience in my kindergarten days will always be remembered. To our loving parents, we thank you for the support and unconditional love. You are our ultimate reasons why we are here today. Flying kisses to our parents. To all my friends and classmates, thank you for the shared fun as we learn. I will treasure those precious moments. To all the teachers, thank you for giving us the quality education that we all deserve. Lastly, thank you to our Almighty God who has always been our protector and provider. In behalf of the kindergarten pupils, school year 2023-2024, we thank you all. We promise to continue to grow, learn, and have fun. Again, congratulations to all of us. We made it. Once again, good morning. Thank you po.
Very good.
Thank you, Krishna, for the warm welcome. At this point, let us now proceed to the presentation of the candidates for moving up. May we now request Ma'am